Today, I'm going to introduce you to the area of a circle formula and show you how we use this formula to find the area of a whole circle. So, let's begin. So when we're finding the area of a circle, we're finding how much space exists in here inside of the circle. Now to find the area, there's a special relationship that exists between the radius and the number pi that I introduced in the perimeter video. And what that found is the area of a circle, which I'm going to call A here, is equal to the radius of the circle, which I'm going to use as r, times itself, so multiplied by radius again, and then multiplied by pi. But whenever we multiply a value by itself, we write that as that value to the power of 2. So what we've found is the area is equal to r squared times pi. Now when we write this as a formula, traditionally in maths this is written as area equals pi r squared. And what I'm going to show you today is how we use this formula for the circle of area equals pi r squared to find the area of whole circles. So let's take a look at a couple of circles. Now the first problem here is asked me to find the area of this circle that has a radius of 70 centimeters. Now whenever I tackle a problem like this, I like to first identify what information I've been given. Now like I just said, I've been given the radius, which I like to call r, and that's equal to 70 centimeters. The next thing I like to do is identify what the question wants me to find. Now the question wants me to find the area. So the area I don't have, so I go area equals question mark. From here, identify what formula would be best to use. Now the area of a circle formula is equal to pi r squared. And now I substitute back into the formula the values that I have. Now I don't have area, that's what I'm trying to find, but it's equal to the number pi times the radius of 70 squared. Now you'll notice that I've put the value I substitute in brackets. I frequently do this to remind myself that I substituted that value into the formula. So when I enter this into my calculator, I therefore find that the area is approximately equal to 15,393.80 centimeters squared. Remembering that when we measure area, it's always measured in squared units. So let's take a look at the next circle. For our first step, we identify what information we've been given. Now in this case, I've been given the diameter of the circle, which I'm going to indicate here in D. And the diameter of a circle is equal to 3 meters. And the question's asked me to find what is the area of the circle. Well, I know that my area formula for a circle is equal to pi times r squared. But I don't have the radius of this circle. So I need to find that first. Now I know that the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2, or half the length of the diameter. Now that is equal to 3 divided by 2, so therefore my radius is equal to 1.5 meters. So when I go to find the area of this circle, what I do is substitute the value of my radius back into the formula. So the area is equal to pi times the radius of 1.5 squared. Once I've got this, I enter it into my calculator, and I therefore find that the area is approximately equal to 7.07 meters squared. So now it's your turn. What I want you to do is use the area formula to find the area of the two circles that I've got in front of me.